Hello guys, today we're going to be upgrading the GK1. So there are multiple ways to upgrade a GK1. We have mounts for the top, like RMR mounts and Picatinny mounts. Also 1911 style hand grips and laser mounts on the bottom. Also a aluminum folding stock, which we have multiple versions of, and a muzzle brake. The cool thing about these accessories is that they can all be used together, they fit together perfectly. And of course all these products can be found on our websites ergonheaven.com and luchtpucks.com. So after we took out the screw on the iron side, we can now start removing the end cap. You'll need to apply some pressure for that. So for all these upgrades you need some Allen keys. Here we have the RMR mount and the Vector Optics Frenzy X red dot with RMR footprint, so these fit together perfectly. The mount fits right on there. You have to apply some pressure on the back because of the spring. So the RMR mount keeps it very low. If you look to the GK1 above, then you see it's a bit higher. This is because of the Picatinny reel. So now we're taking out the screws again and we're going to put the Picatinny adapter on for the stock. If you want to put on the stock adapter on the standard GK1, this is also possible because it fits the normal end cap as well. Okay, so now we're taking off the standard grip and we'll replace it with the 1911 style grip. We also have other grips in stock like walnut or synthetic textured grips. I think it looks very good already. Okay, so now we're putting on the iron side again, and don't forget the spring. And you have to do this before putting on the red dot, otherwise it's not accessible. So this pistol has a Picatinny reel, and you can still use the iron side underneath it. So now we're taking off the thread protector and putting on a new one. We also call this a muzzle brake. It's not really for the muzzle, of course, for the muzzle flash, but it looks very cool. So here's the Picatinny mount for underneath. You can use this for lasers, lamps, or bipod, for example. So this is the Picatinny mount that comes with the stocks. The stock on the pistol above can also be adjusted in height, so that it can go a bit higher than it's sitting now. So we have three kinds of stocks. They are all a bit different from each other. This one, for example, has a rubber butt pad on the end. It's also very stable and sturdy material, and it doesn't move like 3D printed plastic stuff. Now it's time to place the red dot again. This has RMR footprint, so it fits perfectly. So there we have the upgraded version. You can upgrade as much as you like, of course. I think it looks amazing. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. We also have a lot of very cool upgrades coming, so stay tuned for that. Like, subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.